Hello everyone, this is Martin, your instructor for the trading program that you enrolled in. It's called Trading Currencies Learn Forex. And first of all, I want to thank each and every one of you again for enrolling in my course. As you know, it's being brought to you by the Dufferin Peel Catholic School District School Board, and classes will be starting up soon, I believe toward the end of September. We'll be letting you know. But anyways, thanks for enrolling, and I'm really excited, looking forward to meeting all of you when class first starts. So with the last video, as you can recall, it was all about opening up your free demo trading account, and by now you should have done that. And the second part of it was downloading your trading platform. That's the special software that you need to place your buy and sell trades for your currencies, and the platform being called MetaTrader 4, or short form MT4. So hopefully you've downloaded it, and you've also got it all open in front of you right now. Hopefully you're looking at a computer screen with the Think Forex platform, and that, again, as a reminder, is your broker. It's the broker of choice for all the students in this training program, and Think Forex is an excellent broker. I've been very happy with it, using it for a while now. So hopefully the trading platform is open in front of you. You're looking at some basic default charts, and that's what the last video was all about. And this week, this video is all about changing the look of your trading charts. If you got the charts in front of you, you can see that they're pretty basic. There should be 4 charts in front of you. We want to change the look of them to make them a little bit more pleasing to the eye, okay? Now, this is very important. Before you start trading, you must do this. Once you have opened up your demo trading account and downloaded your trading platform software called MT4, it's time to change the look of your default charts. I must say that the default charts that you see on your screen are not that pretty to look at. In fact, they're pretty ugly. They're very dark, and they also contain a lot of extra information and things like that that you don't need. But more importantly, they lack some very important other information that you do definitely need to help with your trading decisions. We're going to show you what that's all about, how to add them to your charts. And again, this video is all about changing the look of the charts so that it'll help you make trading a lot easier. So let's take a good look at how that's done, okay? Okay, I have opened up a demo trading account here with Think Forex, and when you open yours and you take a look at your trading software for the very first time, you should be able to see this basically 4 different charts on your screen. And on my charts, I've got the just taking a look here at the labels: the U.S. Swiss franc, the British pound US dollar, the bottom left-hand corner, the Euro USD, and the USD Japanese yen. So I've got those 4 charts, but what we want to do, well, first of all, you can take a look at this top left-hand chart here. Very dark, lots of squiggly lines and dots on it. Not really conducive to trading. Let's take some charts. Well, I'm sorry. Let's change these charts to make them look a lot nicer and easier to trade with. And the very first thing we got to do is look at the menu on top right here. You can see the menu: File, View, Insert, Charts, Tools, Window. You're going to click on the window, okay? Click on New Window, and we can choose any currency pair that we want. However, let's choose something that's not on the screen right now. That means not the US Swiss franc, not the British pound US dollar, Euro USD, USD Japanese yen. So not one of those 4, but let's take a look, scroll down, and let's pick, let's say, the US CAD. Okay, now you can see we have a new chart of the USD Canadian dollar currency pair right on the screen. It's very large, and that's good. That's what we want to do. But now we want to absolutely change the colors and the look of it. So the next thing is right click, and right at the bottom we want to click on Properties, Okay, and that brings us a little window. It's a properties window for the USD Canadian dollar, and you can see two tabs on top, the colors and the comments. So the very first thing, this is the common tab that's open, and this is what we want to make sure and check off. Okay, so really quickly, we want to make sure there's a check mark on chart on foreground, chart shift, chart auto scroll, candlesticks, show open, high, low, close, show the ask line, show the period separators, show the uncheck that, do not check the show grid, so make sure that's blank. Show volumes, make sure that's blank, and then finally check that show object descriptions. Once that's done, do not click on OK. Now go over to the other tab, which is the colors tab. Okay, and this is going to be very important. You can see the preview window. This window shows what the big window behind the currency looks like, and we're going to change all these colors. Okay, so the very first thing is we're going to change the background color, and we're going to pick the just a second, the light slate gray. Okay, and then we're going to foreground is white. Okay, you can see in the bottom right hand corner. Then the grid, we're going to make that a powder blue. That you'll find that right there. Hopefully you're following the arrow as we change the colors. Bar up is black. Bar down is black. Bull candle is white right down here. The bear candle is black, and again, you don't have to know what all this means right now. I know that there's a lot of information that you're processing. Just follow exactly what I'm doing and you'll be fine. Okay, the line graph is a lime color. Let's see if we can find that there, lime. The volumes, that can be red. The ask line can be red, and the stop levels can be red. Oh, there we go, red. And once that's done, then click on OK, and bingo bango, there we go. We've got a chart that looks half decent. It looks pretty nice, and it's like I said, the slate blue background with one squiggly line. You can see that. Okay, now what we want to do is make sure we add a couple of indicators. This squiggly line is an indicator. It's going to help us trade or see the trades a lot easier and our signals, and it's going to help us trade. So what we're going to do is go to the line, make sure this, you can see it shows moving average 14. Right click on that, click on the properties, and we want to change that. We want to make type in an 8. There we go. Type in an 8. It is a exponential. Again, I don't expect you to understand what all this means. Just all you have to do is follow the instructions here, and you'll be fine. And we'll teach you all this during the in the course, and how this applies to your trading. Apply to the close, okay. And the color, we're going to change the color to a fire brick. There we go. The line, let's make the line a little bit thicker. There we go, and click on OK. So we've done that. Now we're going to add one more moving average. This line is called a moving average line, and what we do is we're going to go to the left side of the chart. We're going to go to the navigator window, and we're going to click on the plus beside the trend. That's what we're looking for, the trend tab. Click on the plus. It opens up a set of options for us going down the line here. We want to click on, well, we see the moving average. Okay, this is important. Now, you click on that and drag it onto your chart. So click, drag, and drop it. So you click and drag until this window pops up. We're going to change this new line, this new moving average, to number 21. Okay, I've done that right there. 21. It's the same thing. It's an exponential. It's close. And this time we're going to change the color to a dark orange. Dark orange, the line is already thick. And now we click on OK, and voila, there we have two different lines. We have the 8 moving average. You can follow my mouse. That's the 8. And the dark orange, this one is the 21 moving average. Okay, that's the 21. These are just special visual aids to help you trade. Now we have to add on one more indicator again. Go to your left under indicators. Well, I'm sorry, navigator. That's the same window. Under the main heading indicators, scroll down below until you get to oscillators. And if this is closed and we don't have the options underneath, just click on the plus button. And under oscillators, look for the MACD, the MACD. That's how you pronounce it. It's the MACD. And again, during in the course, I will explain exactly what that is and how that helps you trade. We're going to click and drag right onto the chart. And we've got the parameters, so colors. So the first thing, colors, we this changed the thickness to this right here. Okay, so it's pretty thick. That's fine. That can be a dashed line just like that. Levels, this is important. If you don't see the 0, I already did this prior to making this video, so this will be a blank right here. But what you can do is just click on the add. The 0 will come up automatically. Make sure that the color is white and it's a dashed line. Then click on OK. And you can see this is the indicator, the MACD, that shows up below your chart. So this is a special indicator below your chart. And what we can do is minimize the MACD window. You see, we can minimize it just by going down like that. And now you've got the actual chart and the MACD just the way we want it. This is our very first chart, the US Canadian dollar. Okay, the next thing is important. We've got the way we want the chart to look. This is for the US Canadian dollar. And you can see down below this main chart, we have the different tabs for the different currency pairs that we have so far. This is the US Canadian dollar, the 4-hour chart. And we also have these other charts right here. But what we want to do, and really this is the most important part, there are 7 major currency pairs that we're going to be trading. We have to change the look of each currency pair. That's starting with the US Swiss franc. Click on that and you can see what that looks like, right? So we want to change that. The Euro USD, we want to change that. We want to change that. Let's go right back to the US CAD, which we just finished it. And we're going to create what's called a template. Once we have a template of this chart, or we're going to copy that to the other charts, and all your charts then will look the way we want them to be. So we're going to do that next. Okay, hold on. Okay, so the first thing is with your mouse right on the chart, right click. Just a second, right click, scroll down the window, template, and we want to save this chart and put a name to it. I've already done that here. It's 821 EMA strategy because of the 2 moving averages, but we'll do this again. Save the template. So we click on that. Okay, a little window will pop up. Give it a template name. In this case, the 8,21 EMA strategy, and click on save. Now I've already done it previously, but when I click on save, it's going to say, well, it already exists. The 821 EMA strategy already exists. Do you want to replace it? And my answer is yes, so I'll click on yes. So now I've got a name for this, and what we want to do is go to the very first tab below the chart, the US Swiss franc. Right click on that, click on template, look for your name, the 821 EMA strategy, click on that, and bingo, that changes automatically. The next one, Euro USD, right click, okay, right click, look for template, and look for the template, 821, click on that, there you go, okay? Okay, we're running out of time, and remember, we want to change the chart for the 7 major currency pairs. I will be giving them to you in